Hello, in front of me I've got ACER Electric Scooter Series 5. In this video I'll tell you the troubleshooting methods. Firstly, take a look at the screen display of your scooter. Right here on the screen display you can see fault codes. The fault codes you can see are 0E, low battery, 1E, overcharge the battery, 2E, controller failure, 3E, over temperature on controller, 4E, signal line may be loosened or dropped, 5E, loose connection between motor and controller, 6E, accelerator failure, 7E, brake system failure, 8E, over current start the protection program, and 9E, motor locked rotor. Unfortunately, in 90% of those troubleshootings, the only solution is to call service. In the rest of them, the only solution is to charge your device or restart it. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.